The year 2025 was a good year for dancehall. We see the king get crowned. You get me? I say. We see Clash. Melissa come and give them piece of the scene. You get me? I say. But right now there with the man. Walk and talk. The people say man the legend.
Yeah, the
Walk and talk. Father, where's the go on now? 2025. The most standout moment for you in the dancehall. Matter of fact, which one are you clashing? Because we have several clash last year.
You know what true you dog?
We have Current with Malidan.
Malidan and them clash last year. Weak hard and I don't really clash that. The biggest clash we see from Cartel and Muvard and real things attack and some bag of thing attack, a family and massacre.
What stand out most to you in that clash?
They don't stand out there. They just clash. How does come on off a stage?
Who take the clash for you though?
Family.
Why family?
Because today Tamil have a song real to the clash. Massacre just some song where all week too. Me we really respect Massacre as a lyricist. Me I say, Massacre sing this. I start withdraw sometimes and you know so every time like he was running say pop pop pop. I mean I say, what the lyrics them they could have got there so.
Yeah,
you understand?
Spaces. Tamil win for you though.
Tamil win for me.
What do you thought about Massacre fire shot at Vibes Cartel though?
A lot of people say Massacre flat because in this cartel and no. That make him more be a man and more stand out more.
The fans them kind of bash Massacre from the other day. Since him do that though.
And that me not like with the music, because the music sometimes is like a cow down business.
After you go to boom and fire shot for the Gaza boss, what do you think happened to your career?
But me ask you something, right? Me for war against somebody right now. Me could have war with somebody who up on mine, but war with somebody who big. Massacre say boom. You know say me want to war with Vibes Cartel. All the way Sean Stammer do and all the way him do. Yes, him can wear Tamil to him level. But to go to a higher level, Cartel even say, Bohai Massacre idiot, and it'll make him more bigger. Come on, you to try, if you just do what you do. Because guess I know, he could go war with Tante Blacks. He could go war with who else? With L. Lewis. He could go war with, for instance, he could go war with even that is Valiant.
Valiant done for Massacre level?
No.
You sure about that?
No. When TVJ war against Valley.
TVJ not big and Valiant them time.
But the lyrics, he was weak to the lyrics. Somebody please. One and I chop the whole rhythm. Now say teacher is an engineer and teacher is an artist.
So as the Valiant and lyrical enough?
Valiant and lyrical enough if war against Massacre. Cartel come out, Cartel is Bounty Killer. Cartel is Shabba Rankin. Cartel is whole of big people. When they did the Young Lion Massacre. At the time I come up. So
yes, nothing wrong with it?
Nothing wrong with that.
A dancehall?
The dancehall.
You sure about that?
Never. Well, I feel the girl them and sing him nice song them, I would just like him.
Is that Khaled then?
Song them.
Is that Khaled?
What do you say? A Khaled.
I don't reach Khaled on Massacre. It's a girl, let me see, it's a girl artist. And
yeah, Massacre want you to chop up rhythm long time. Massacre DJ 18 bars for one rhythm. Massacre rhythm done. Me say nobody can clash. Massacre.
Don't do that. Okay. Vendetta boss.
Alkaline cannot war with Massacre.
No, it will not war with Massacre. It's a difference.
Alkaline cannot war with Massacre.
Nah, man, I'm mad to say that about man. Not do that.
Massacre run the place, bro.
Which place Massacre run? When him run the place? With which song them? Massacre have hot song I run just like current law them. What are you take on? I don't know them there. What bother the Massacre them? What you talk about?
Never see that, man.
Nah, man, walk it. Massacre pay me some food, but I'm talking something out there, man. You can't do that.
No. I think. You think what I don't know?
No, you can't forget about the G them.
I don't know a Massacre. But I don't know not answer Massacre neither.
You know, sir, Kippich can kill Massacre. Kippo.
You know, say
with the rub Massacre.
You know.
I sneeze, man. Some no want to hear this a draw. I can't favorite them and I mention some greats.
Massacre bad.
I'm not saying I'm a bad artist. But listen, up to now, Massacre, where I find it's them, but it's them. I can't anticipate them, I can't tell us that Massacre.
So you think Valley can clash Massacre?
No. Man can clash Massacre right now. Don't cut no youth out of them. Do not count the local youth out.
Commercial, bro.
Don't count out the local youth there. Hurricane Melissa.
Yo, God no.
It mash up the whole dance segment.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you some sitting to you, but yes, I know. The Chumla man. Them so now. When I want to give it, don't give it.
Turn of Ramesh. With Hurricane Melissa.
Yeah, okay. Melissa.
People heart.
Make him carry back.
Favorite right now.
Yeah, you know, it's a big man thing. Never say give and you receive, but big up Ramesh. I'm like when him come and then come though. Because the whole dancehall who give. You see? But the people who give and I'm not going to shoot video and I try to look hype.
Ramesh at that?
Me not rate them.
Ramesh at that?
No.
Who you at that?
Oh, they know themselves.
Who you get out of the year?
You know, it's a big man to be really have a cartel give back for the year.
Cartel?
A song for the year too.
You sang cartel for the year?
Today is a new day. Give thanks to life. still on the top streaming song them same way.
It's the song, the biggest song for the year.
The biggest song for the year.
Cartel, get artist of the year for you.
Yeah, Cartel get
Not the Massacre we are talking about all along.
No, Massacre will get artist of the year for me, because Massacre drop some song well. Massacre are lyrical artists, bad artists, and I'm thinking about artists for the year, I couldn't get artists for the year.
Walk, talk to me right now. Podcasts are here because we see.
Oh!
We see it fears them out there. You know. See them say fix the fix of it right now.
The fix of it, big up Jeffrey, what them have to do. And you don't know, I did up a thing I got with me on the podcast, but now I'm my podcast.
Like you
room
do the
now.
podcasting thing.
No, I'm still a job same way.
From you decide to stop par with Jeffrey. It's realized if I told to stop par with Tone podcast on at again.
No, who say we are podcast?
The chemistry between Tone.
Yeah, but big up. We'll test of the year, you're going to see me and Jeffrey shoot something.
At least one of them change already, at least one of them change already.
But you still not hear me say to you, say. Jeffrey, what this one, I do film thing. I do my own thing. I take my time, I build my thing.
Top 4 artists in my running place.
You like y'all thing?
Girl, when you hear girl
Amani, Malidan, Valiant, Iwater. Iwater some dancing song for the girl, them. Don't lie. Turn the other way. No, come on, man. Go to you, them credit, man.
The youth in them 450, what I'm telling you there.
Oh, yeah, don't let
You know, so every time I talk to you,
no, man, me have 450 good. You know, say, me have 450 not a problem.
but oh, go on.
I just, one and 450 youth them in the gang. Me I go from camera and tell this. Like, when them see me and Javi them, remember I know them long time, like, they want the first ceilings or the first one. Well, me not that forgive them. So, them not have to chat to me.
3 producers 2025.
Mark, Russian, Country.
Country.
Yeah.
What the geek do? Mac or Russian do for last year?
No, man, I'm Mac Curl same way, man. Big up, Mac. Mac run the place, bro. What is for Caesar, give it to Caesar. You don't need a visa.
One time smack like a post, every time you find a rhythm Russian, try to find a rhythm too.
Everything about competition, you know.
What you think about juggling going right now between two of them?
Mac one, man. Come on, man. You see, artists will tell me, say, they will never vice Mac no.
It's artist there.
No, I'm not going to do that. They know themselves. Yo, I'm not vice them, man. I'm still my vice team now.
I will bring you at the dance, because you are left with me.
Everywhere me go, Mac rhythm. Mac can play someone. November the rhythm. November, December the whole like you go about skipper in the rhythm. And me rap Mac as a producer. Because nobody can tell me say you're a producer until you're an artist.
Who in boss?
Boss skipper.
Mac boss skipper?
Mac boss skipper. I mean I hold by my mouth and tell them Mac boss skipper. Yeah. Mac in the big song, bro. And people in the comment can tell people, and people who are watching can tell us I'm not dog fooling it.
Your prediction, 3 break dance of the year.
Yeah, you may say, because you don't know, so the younger talent might do it. So you have Journey, you have Cardos, you see another name Swaz. I think Swaz really get highlight now, because you know what? Image everything there. You see, Journey, an artist like, she sings some reggae music and them thing, because reggae need a run, you know. Reggae need a run 2026. No, reggae need a run. You see me I say? And Cardos, a song with whole heap of bad arts and them things. So I just want them not feel me while I say this, but when I put in the work, I'm feel good. You understand? Because I can't take the iron balloon business.
See that out?
Yo, truth is real. That's like I subscribe.
Check out Legend, you know?
Yeah.
One walking, Madam Min, bro.
Yo, I'm laughing at that.